Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of biology class. Um, we will not be meeting live today on Teams. That'll be tomorrow again. But I wanted to kind of make a quick video to show you guys what you should have done so far. All right, so if you weren't able to make it to the live lesson, or you made it to the live lesson but you were too overwhelmed, I made this video for you guys so that you know what you need to do today. All right, there are no new assignments. The only thing you have to do is make sure you finished everything from yesterday. So what does that look like? So let's go into biology. I've got a couple of announcements here. We got first day of school, Tuesday's announcement. We made it through our first day. Woo! Okay, and then it kind of gives you a checklist of what's going on. So let's go back to home. And then we can go to modules. All right, so here's yesterday's modules. All that's left that you guys can probably see is the Monday and the All About Me slide. Okay, this is your assignment from yesterday. You want to make sure that's done ASAP. And then your student inventory. That'll take you to a Microsoft Forms. And that's going to help me put you guys into groups and teams and stuff like that. So you want to get this done as soon as possible too, okay? Just make sure you click on the right class period. All right, then we have Tuesday. That's today. And the only thing that's going to be here on Tuesday for you guys is going to be this video, because that's all you need to do. Everything else is up here. You need to do your All About Me slide and your student inventory. However, there's one last thing that you got to do on here, and it's to set up your class notebook. Okay, so you're going to click up here where it says class notebook. And then it might take a second because it's a pretty big file, but then you're going to log in to OneNote. Okay, and then it's probably going to ask you to log in with your student email. Okay. After that, yours is going to look different than mine because I'm from the teacher perspective, but hopefully it's going to look something like this when you get to OneNote. Now, you can continue to use OneNote online in the browser like Google Chrome, or you can push this button where it says open an app, and then it'll open in like down here. Okay, so my OneNote, I like to do it in the app, so it's down here. If you want to watch my introduction video, it's about me and our class pet Percy. It's pretty cool. Over here on the HHS schedule tab, I made a remote learning schedule that I thought was more visually pleasing. There's all of the time periods for the day, and then the live lesson class schedule. So which live lessons are you going to each day? All right, I hope that is super helpful, and shoot me an email, shoot me a message on Teams, shoot me a message on Canvas if you have any trouble with that. Otherwise, I'll see you guys tomorrow.